So how am I staying engaged with my team during this time? Well, for one, it changes kind of frequently because the simple fact that every Thursday or Friday, more and more news comes down. So for one, definitely my operations manager, we send out definitely weekly emails about strategies that we come up with during the week for overall staffing, for overall procedures. That includes safety, but as well as operating procedures, communicating the different facts behind the actual virus, that way they can stay safe, etc. I also then send out weekly videos that I record and then send via email for they can actually view and kind of see me, kind of get a better feel for what is actually going on. And this is usually more of along the lines of more operational speaking and kind of what has been handed down by the state boards, CDC, governor as well. And it kind of changes um, since the beginning of everything to now, which is going on to the 1st of April, where now the state is pretty much in a shelter in place, and we have scaled back our operations from 3 offices to one, and which are half days. So now it's really more intimate, like it's more like a startup, where we huddle in the morning, kind of talk about a few things, make sure everybody's coping well, and really just doing okay and taking care of the patients that on an emergency basis. Unfortunately, for the people who have been furloughed, haven't laid anybody off, I can't communicate with them because that will be considered work. So we are abiding by all laws very, very carefully. But that's just how I actually stay in contact with my team.